so what the UMAT compare tech compare Legon nasa waka say UMAT enye university na say ESHSA nasa me kofa Ken USC ene Legon enso to compare University of Cape Town and now which university of South Africa. We will also say Ken University no so enye university. So okofa Yale University now to compare Legon. Legon is not a university. So what I say, because when it comes to infrastructure, there is that huge gap. Any infrastructure in my university, you can say university. Okay. When the University Act is enacted in Parliament, it's the Parliament that makes an institution a university. Enti se okofa institution ye established in 2004 as a university. Obia wako UMAT da bia meme we school UMAT doing my masters at UMAT. Okay. For the time I go school mo no, any for the time we no, we saw progress year on year bia na bia dan for no. Year on year bia na see a dan for. Oko UMAT a project is always ongoing. See no oko UMAT o mu si dan dan. Oh. Enti no the universities you are mentioning 1949 we KUSC Ebeye University no any Legon as at the time or Mobile University no they've taken time to grow. Now asama make that they've taken time to grow. Time of 2004 UMAT Ebeye University no that time na they were far gone into no yes asama ban na can there but yentimi ngina so na school kese wa ha. As time goes on, it grow year on year. No, yentimi and denigrate this school anymore. Say just because we are having a discussion and you want to make your point of view, that is not fair and it is not right. And he should not say it anywhere because it will not hold. And to kakra na den ekoso de bi down for. If UMAT gets 50 years plus like Legon, any KUST any more than 50 years now, he will be seeing the kind of development he's talking about. So I say they are opening campuses everywhere. And you know you shouldn't go there. I understand. So called Fiasek, so called Tasco. Maybe Tasco said on discuss over Fiaseki. Time I call means me just as Tasco. Projects are ongoing. What I say, time. All students mwaka hon, aban mwaka hon. Companies now can also more than home, but not only companies. And your companies never this other. And your companies never prempe. What I say, so we cannot based on the go phase issue to just kick and some beer then schools, reputable schools will come her. Just for what? Me, if you do that to Fiaseka, I won't take that from him or mine. Amama Tata school. No, I will not take that. Okay. Let's move on. We are trying to have a beautiful discussion this morning. I bet you your phone na. GOLDFIELDS are some yekin. GOLDFIELDS a company or abatakwa hanum say. Na omo ba no ye mo mu dwumedie se omo nye den omo endi. Na sa dwumedie no mfie na ye den ye de ma omo. Before GOLDFIELDS were coming, no, we were mining. It was state mining. So they say now buying na say den was involved in mining, and we decided to sell the shares. That time Rollins, Divestiture Implementation Act. We decided to be selling our shares, major shares into what foreign investors. And no other companies here then looking at GMC near Omunina then ebemu beteki apa mining asset here Nana. Sisiano, for me waka in same baby. On say we shall say now say also GOLDFIELDS near, but I was saying GOLDFIELDS has done a lot.
Yeah, but it's not enough.
But it's not enough. Nana, me sure say even Johannesburg, Krampono, they are still expecting things from companies or more mining companies or Anglo good now. So United States everywhere, Australia. A corporate social responsibility there, it never ends. It never ends. Or more expected. CCA GOLDFIELDS as some Kenya, when it comes to corporate social responsibility, they are the best. And the kind of pressure GOLDFIELDS no. Membusa our question say, is it the same near other companies? it's like all eyes on Goldfields. All eyes on Goldfields. Fair enough. As a song mobile, you develop a community. No? But me, and so I'm here to money. I've always maintained, say, CCR, the opportunity we have at the moment to renew the license of Goldfields should not only be about what they have done in the past. Because when we talk about sustaining a miner, it's money. What I say. Now the asset, the value of a Goldfields asset, TARKWA, it's almost about 1 billion USD. Enti enye edumaketwa na Goldfields for aba omababe no Comm hanim say no. Now say you have corporate social responsibility. I cannot sit here and say it is enough when Sebi na me no can TARKWA internal rules. Me no mentioned referral hospitals, a whole lot of projects are say a boy. So I cannot in any way sit here and mention say Goldfields has done enough. But I can tell you for a fact that they have done the best.
Okay.
For us. And nobody can refute that fact. All mining companies say if we are to put them to the test, that they have done the best. And if we have the opportunity, Goldfields no more to mining sites. Says Yajibako. A local company. So what I said. And if say as a mine, we have any intention say go into indigenous mining, that's large scale indigenous mining now. One step at a time. So what I say. This time around,
okay.
Ghana has mined with local people before. Before say diversify share some foreign investors no. We failed due to procurement issues, financial misappropriation. Said but say now we have the skilled personnel because we have the University of Mines producing skilled personnel for us. Now we have financial capacity to some extent. So what I say, and now we have businessmen who are also interested in say mobile mining. The damai ayede ashase.
Okay.
Yes, it's more or less like a pilot. So what I say, you started from there. Say we have the opportunity to yes you operated that mine. Why mun esua free omo enye Goldfields for na hona enye omo na ba be kire ya yes ye den ya sha say yibi. We have an opportunity to renew for them. Yet na sia ese say ye kan enyoma CCR na ye pese omo ye den eye man. That should be the discussion.
Yeah, I think okay. Zita na okase bi anhihye bi ekoso no.
And American. It's CCR because unim say ye call outside CCR. People are so bent on. So we say DNT na any say renew Goldfields mineral right concession mo say omo nya hwe. Me omaye bibi di omaye. Enti say ye pebi aka ho a say a 10% stake in the mining shares na iswa. Yen trans Goldfields CCR no first na moba no na ye nim bibia afa ho ni jai ni nyina ye den emama ye je10 na nse nso de ye ni ye hunu bibi se muni ho a kakra ye betimi aye de aye no ye nso betimi ye de aye. That is why we call leverage. Okay. CCR no we have experience, a little experience and so betimi the operating mine. Notwithstanding, we still need Goldfields and their experts skills. Ome wo Goldfields ye adwuma no Ghana for na ye adwuma. Se CCR no se Goldfields for kwen na sa Ghana for na betina ma den aye. We need more of those skilled personnel. 1% of their revenue bia no bad that fund in ma, of which we are likely to get no less than $10 million a year. Nana enka internal rules na dey sanke ye wie o. Anke ye wie ni nyina. Enti no the things we are blaming Goldfields say omunye no. We have the opportunity to make them do it right now. What I say?
Okay.
Nyoma yesi omunye ni nyina no say referral hospital other hospitals airport there you say there say TARKWA mini TARKWA village minim say skyscrapers na ye pese si no Comm hanum say you say New York no pese ye no TARKWA ha wo there you the time
but o share TARKWA and mining companies are waha. Maybe a way dear, I say, if
you are comparing TARKWA to Ebia Obuase, so I say. The last time I meet you interview one woman, I say on Pesa TARKWA Bese Obuase. The struggles of Obuase for a go through. Nana, NDC was TARKWA NSUAEM. The decision of MP or Teso to chairman to be out to communicators and they say Omobe Pam GOLDFIELDS. Now the
but what say MP Kasayo? Onyanti MP Bekasayo.
He's representing the party near MP.
All Kasano sit pay or no. The observations are why.
And I mention my observation. I mention my NSA. Mention my observation. I mention my NSA. Zuta or Tia representing NDC party. Any MP new NDC fraternity Okrum Heninano. Almost the answer Pam GOLDFIELDS. In their parochial interest, not any interest of national interest, then they should spare us that.
Okay.
So, when it comes to corporate ownership, in a corporate world, no, say when it ownership, it's not about obia say owner change na as I say owner okoje na okofa investor owner okoze. It's about shares.